One of our representative products is Hemohim. In the case of Hemohim, they were initially sold for $770 per box with 60 packs. So even before Atomy was created, it was sold for $770 through another company. But as I saw it, the quality was very good. It was developed at the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, but at that time it was sold for $770. So though people heard rumors that it was good, not everyone could buy it. The only people who bought it were the people who had fatal diseases, especially the rich, and people who had heard about this product. As a result, only 500 boxes were sold per month. They were selling 500 boxes, so even if they sold 500 boxes for $770, the factory was taking a loss, because one production cycle produced 3,000 sets. But if they sold 500 boxes a month, how many months would it have taken? Selling for 6 months, it only needed to run the factory twice a year. During the other months, it was just idle. It would be strange if that factory were doing well, so it was in ruin. So then, Atomy demanded that it would try to sell the product. But there was one condition. Assume that 100,000 boxes are sold per month and calculate the costs according to that. I said I would sell 100,000 boxes, but if you calculate the cost thinking based on selling 500 boxes a month, won't you make a loss even if you sell it for $770? So when I said I would sell 100,000 boxes a month, they laughed. But now 300,000 boxes are sold per month. So it's now necessary to make this a national health food at a price of less than $100. No, it should be a worldwide sensation. Why would you take it? There's a difference between taking it and not taking it, so we take it. There's no other way to check. We just have to take it. People said that they were less tired, more energetic, and felt a lot better. So this product just started selling all over the world. When I look at the numbers, the day we hit 1 million boxes sold per month isn't far in the future.